Hello, welcome back my YouTube channel. Alengin ya pe ya kane kaching hikai ngawan ra sepi bangin nang kloy ya ka kerten parang kine ki step ngidei banbo 24 daily use sentences English to Kasi. Lada pio ngajung mentoy na kane ka video wanam klat ban share lam shaki perlak lane hayang hasam jangpi wanam klat ro ban like share and subscribe. Bendu ya kajing tiang kamot fear kajing le rang kamot feeling shy kren kumba pisngeu kamot feeling but kiway don't be afraid to make mistake kasi wat teng lada pi kumbakla. The best way to learn any language. Kasi kababiang tam bangin nang ya kano kaktin. Is yours to speak. Kasi kalong bangin keren. It does not matter if you know only few words. Kasi compare lada hitip tang khandiat e gigantin. Don't wait until you feel comfortable speaking in English. Kasi what up hado bapin das ngaubiang ban keren paren. But speak a little English every day. Kasi henry keren pareng kendiat manla kasngi. It will help you. Kasi kan yarab bhayapi. Find a friend who is willing to speak to you. Kasi wat ya ki perlok ki ba kloy ban ya keren yapi. It will give you more knowledge. Kasi pin yo shu shibon ki jeng mod. Find a friend who is willing to teach you. Kasi wat ya ki paralok ki bakaloy ban hikai yapi. Don't wait for tomorrow. Kasi what up ya ka balashay. Thank you for your suggestion. Kasi kublay shibon ya kajing ai jing mod jongpi. I'm not coming tomorrow. Kasi ngam wan la shy. What happened? Kasi where are you? Tomorrow I'm going to Shillong. Kasi la shy ngan le sha Shillong. What are you doing there? Kasi pile ayu shata. Meeting with my friend. Kasi ban ya kendo ya kiparlok jonga. At the same time, I have some work to do. Kasi ha kajo kapor ngadon kato katne kikam banle. Have you finished your dinner? Kasi pila dep bam. I just finished just now. Kasi ngadang syudap mentahi. Where are you? Kasi Shano Pidan. I don't know, but I'm on my way. Kasi Ngam Tip Henry Nga Dang Don Halenti. We used to think when we are rich. Kasi Ni Shai Berkhat Anda Ni Larius Pa. We will help the poor. Kasi Ngen Yarab Ya Kibadu. Everyone dreams about that. Kasi Baro Ngi Post New Ya Kata. Service to people is service to God. Kasi Kajing Shakri Ya Ubriu Kalong Kajing Shakri Ya Ublay. How do you feel? Kasi Kumno Pisngel. I feel like I'm nothing. Kasi Ngasngel Bangam Long AA. Everyone has their own problems. Kasi Manla away Pa away Udon La Gijong Gijing E. Don't stress your problem. Kasi Wat Penlek Jing Mot Ya Gi Jing E. When God is with me, who can against me? Kasi Haba Ublay Udon Rengkat Bat Nga Mano Banyale Risha Bat Nga. Sngew Bha Share Yakane Kajing Hikai Shaki Perlok Jong Pi. What I'm glad like, share and subscribe.